For this trip to Southern California, the first hotel we stayed at was at the Embassy Suites Anaheim South. We had stayed here twice before, once in 2004 and another time in 2007, although I do know that the rooms have been refurbished since then. Like many hotels close to Disneyland, you now have to pay $20 a day to park your car. And something else that's changed is that there's now no daily housekeeping. If you require anything like clean towels, you have to go to reception and ask. One of the main reasons for choosing this hotel is that I really enjoy having a suite, especially if I'm staying somewhere more than just a couple of nights. I much prefer the flexibility of having somewhere to sit down, have something to eat, and then somewhere to chill out and relax after a long day in the theme parks. The sofa and the chair were really comfortable. And as you can see, it's a really good sized room. There's plenty of storage underneath the TV if you wish to unpack. And there's 2 outlets and 2 USBs, ideal for charging your equipment. And there's the same again over by the table. The room also has a small kitchenette area, which has a microwave, a fridge, and a sink and a tap. Also a coffee maker, a couple of cups, and then there's a selection of coffees, creamers, and milk. And finally here is an ice bucket and some cups. And the under-counter fridge is a pretty standard size. And now moving into the bedroom, you can see that there are 2 double beds in here. Opposite the beds is a large flat screen TV and a desk area. There's a stool, a lamp and a mirror too. And just tucked away here on the left is another pair of outlets and another pair of USB sockets. On the bedside table there's a pair of lamps, and beneath that is a telephone, and hidden away behind that are another 3 outlets and 2 pairs of 2 USBs. So you'll have no excuse as to why your electronics aren't all fully charged for another long day in the parks. Over here is a large wardrobe, which has even more pillows should you need them, a hanging rail with some coat hooks, iron, ironing board, luggage rack and a safe. And then finally we move into the bathroom area. The bathroom was large, there were plenty of fresh clean towels, with plenty of surface area for you to put all of your toiletries, although the hotel kindly left us some anyway. The room was light, airy and smelled fresh. There was a good sized bath shower combination, which is the only part of the room which was the same as before. I don't think this has been changed. And there was great pressure in that shower. Another huge plus point at staying at the Embassy Suites is their free breakfasts. You can just turn up, grab a plate, some cutlery and then treat yourself to pancakes, scrambled eggs, potatoes, bacon and sausages. Or if you prefer, there was omelettes that are made to order. I highly recommend the Denver omelette. Or considering how expensive things are these days, maybe have a little bit of both. You could also have a continental style breakfast with Danish pastries, bagels, toast, and whatever the hell this is, plus a selection of fresh fruit either to eat in or to take away. For those that preferred a cold breakfast, there was a wide selection of cereals such as cornflakes, Fruit Loops, Raisin Bran and Cheerios. And oatmeal was even available too, and with a selection of toppings to sweeten it up. And for drinks, there was a good selection of coffees, 100% fruit juices and Pepsi products. The Embassy Suites Anaheim South is one of 57 Disneyland Good Neighbor Hotels. By booking this vacation package, it means that both your hotel and your Disney park tickets are all included in the price and that the price is fixed, which is great to know considering Disneyland do keep putting their prices up. You also receive a collectible lanyard and pin and a magical extra saving card that gives you up to 10% off in select restaurants at downtown Disney. I would just like to note that this hotel isn't actually walkable to Disneyland, but there are many transportation options, which I'll go through in future videos. There is a small shop located inside the hotel which has all the usual snacks and sundries, along with lots of Disney t-shirts and hats just in case you needed to buy some more. The hotel has a great gym for those wishing to do some exercise before or after a long day in the parks, just in case you didn't get those steps in. Just outside the hotel there's a large seating area. You can enjoy some drinks in the sun. I really like the size of this pool. There's plenty of space for lots of people to take a dip. There are plenty of sun lounges if you want to chill out poolside. And this whirlpool is an amazing place just to go and relax for a little while more. Another thing that's very popular in this hotel is the manager's reception. Between 5 and 6:30 every evening there are complimentary drinks and snacks. Beer like Bud Light is completely free, although you can pay a small upcharge for other brands. As for the snacks, there's some cooked vegetables and hummus. There's also things like crudités with various sauces and nachos too, which is ideal if you've been back from the parks for the afternoon and are heading back out again for the evening's entertainment. We really enjoyed our stay at the Embassy Suites Anaheim South. This hotel definitely has a lot of plus points. However, it's now time to go to Disneyland on the Art Shuttle, and that'll be in the next video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe.